Good morning, Abotai. To continue speaking about the laws of kosher for Pesah, we spoke about yesterday the oven, conventional versus self-clean. Today, we'll speak about the stovetop. Now, there are different kinds of stovetops. First of all, the conventional stovetop, that's gas, and you have grates and burners. Those, preferably, need to be koshered through hag'ala, which means you put it into a pot of boiling water on the fire. Otherwise, even if you don't do hag'ala, the halacha is that you pour boiling water from a kli rishon, airui mikli rishon, from the electric kettle, whatever, on top of those things, and on top of the area on the top of the stovetop as well, that also koshers it, that also makes it kosher Pesah. Now, the same thing applies with regards to countertops and sinks. Over there you do airui mikli rishon. All you need to do is pour boiling water from a kli rishon, from the electric kettle, onto the countertops or onto the sink, regardless of what material it is made from. If the countertop is granite, formica, it doesn't matter. You can still kosher it that way. The same thing with the sink. Whether the sink is stainless steel or even if it's ceramic, this, in general, ceramic is not kosherable, but over here it is able to be koshered al yedei airui mikli rishon, by pouring boiling water from a kli rishon, then it's koshered. With regards to electric stovetops, if you have an electric stovetop and it's glass, usually it's glass maybe mixed with a little bit of ceramic, haskamat poskim ledat maran shulchan aruch is that glass doesn't require koshering. So over there, technically, all you would need to do is wipe down the glass electric stovetop very, very well with soap and water, mamash, scrub it down, make sure there's no residue, and then fire it up to the highest setting on each one of the burners, in which case that would be enough to kosher it. If a person wants to do something a little bit extra, you can pour boiling water on top of that also, but if it's going to ruin it, so certainly don't do that. Suffice it just by scrubbing it down and turning it on to the highest setting. That's with regards to, I think we covered almost everything in the kitchen. Yom Tov. Kol Tov.